Hi everyone, I'm Nichole Saxton. I am a makeup artist in Calgary, and today with Community Natural Foods, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful, flawless foundation and how to choose a foundation color that's right for you using all clean beauty products. So the first thing you want to do when you are looking for a new foundation is to figure out what kind of skin tone you have. So do you have something that's a little bit more pink or a little bit more yellow or a little bit more golden, or you can see some orangey tones in there. Figure out what that is first and then choose a foundation based on the colors in your own skin. So the second thing you'll want to look for in foundation is the consistency of the product. So do you want something that's a little bit more full coverage? You'll probably go to one that's a little bit more thicker. So one that's really great for that is the Mineral Fusion. It's a little bit thicker consistency, has really great pigmentation, really great coverage as well. If you prefer a foundation that is a little bit more sheer, you can see your own natural skin through it, feels a little bit lighter on the skin, you'll like something like the Gabriel foundation, which is just as hydrating, but it does have a little bit more watery texture to it. So the third thing you should look for in finding a foundation concealer match is looking for a warmer concealer if you are trying to hide bluer tones. So if you have something underneath your eyes or around the nose that is a little bit more blue or a little bit more pink, try and find a concealer that is warm, like the Mineral Fusion liquid concealer in the shade Warm. If you're looking to just hide a blemish spot on your forehead or your chin, somewhere where there isn't a discoloration, just a little spot that you want covered up, try and find a shade that is exact match of your foundation. And to top it off, if you want to look for a powder, again, do the same thing with foundation. If you're looking for an olive tone powder, look for ones that have more yellowy, greenish tones to it. For example, the Nichole 2 powder by Mineral Fusion is great for an everyday sort of powder. They have a variety of shades as well. So if you're looking for something lighter or warmer or darker, Benicos and Gabriel and Mineral Fusion all have beautiful powders for that.